Hello friends, welcome to Bulls Coaching. In this video, we are going to solve this question. Very simple question, and we need to find product of two numbers, which is 1.6 bar and 0.27 bar. Both are rational numbers. Can you give it a try? Pause this video for some time and try to solve it by yourself, and then come back again to verify your answer. Before beginning the solution, I would like to tell you that don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share my YouTube channel with your friends, families and relatives. So with this, let us begin with the solution. Okay, now problem is here 1.6 bar and 0.27 bar. Now this problem won't be that simple. Student of 9th standard must be knowing this. 9th standard and older must be knowing this. 0.6 bar means this 1.6 is not 1.6, it's 1.666 and continuously repeating. It's a recurring rational number. Okay, recurring decimal expansion. This will be 0.27, 27, 27 and so on. You need to actually multiply this to get the answer. Now multiplying this will become tedious kind of job. So let us use some nice method. Let me take this as 1.6 bar and B as 0.27 bar. And what we need to find actually, we need to find A multiplied by B. Clear? Now this A will represent in a rational number or in a fraction form. This B also in a fraction form. Now we have A is 1.6 bar. This is equation 1. Simple thing. Now one decimal is repeating. Let me multiply 10. So if you multiply 10, this will become 10 multiplied by 1.6 bar. This will become 10A, which will be equal to 16.6 bar. This is the equation 2. Subtract. Therefore 2 minus 1, what will become 10A minus A will be equal to 16.6 bar minus 1.6 bar. Simple thing. This will become 9A and this will become as 15. We can divide it to get the answer. This will become 15 divided by 9, which will come 3 5s are 15 and 3 3s are 9. 5 upon 3 is value of A. This 5 upon 3. Now we can find value of B also. We'll take B as 0.27. This as equation 3. Let me take, because 1, 2 I have already taken. Mark it as 3. 2 decimals are getting repeated. So let us multiply it by 100. So this will become 100 and 100 into 0.27 bar. Clear? This will become 100B, which will be equal to 27.27 bar. Simple thing. We'll subtract 4 and 3. 4 minus 3 and this will give us 100B minus B. This and this will be equal to 27.27 bar minus 0.27 bar. When you subtract this, these are same terms. This will become 99B. These are same terms actually. So what will remain is only 27. Now we need to divide it. 27 divided by 99. You can divide it by 9. So B will become 9 3s and 9 1s, and this is answer B. We have A and B with us. Now we can find the solution. Therefore, A into B will be equal to, what is A? 5 upon 3 multiplied by B is 3 upon 11. So we'll get A is 1.6 multiplied by 0.27 bar will be equal to 5 upon 11. Right? Okay. Now this is the answer. 5 upon 11 is the answer, but till now our options were in decimal expansion, right? So we'll divide this and get the answer. So this will be kind of 11 and 5 not getting divided. Very simple thing. Put a 0. This will become 5 4s are. So what will remain? 6 will remain. Again 0. 11 5s will become 55. This what will remain? 5. 5 is getting repeated each time. Let me do it one more time. So this will become 44, 5, sorry, 6, 0 and 5, 55. See, 45 is getting repeated, right? So we can say 0.45 bar, and this is our answer, right? Because 45 is getting repeated. Simple thing, right? So students who are in 9th standard and above must be knowing this answer. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching our video. Do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to share this channel with your friends, families and relatives. You can always ask us questions related to maths, physics and questions like this. We are here to help you. Thank you so much. See you in next video.